Hello again, welcome back to yet another development log. I think we're like episode 18, 19 now. Is it 18 or 19? Has it been that long? I think it's been, something like that. So I know I said last week I didn't have time to get around to the advanced AI tactics because I was thinking out how the server was going to work. Well, this week I've been able to fiddle with it a little bit more. Unfortunately, I ran into another roadblock, and that being I could not figure out how to get them to stop snapping toward each other when they blocked. It turns out it was something as simple as the rotation system I was using was slurping. I'm not particularly sure why it's called that. It just is. It's like something lerping. I'm not sure. I think it's like some transitional turning system. It broke in that I found an example that explained it a little bit more, and it used a large number, so I did the same, and I had used, I think, like 45 or 50 times the delta time, so they turned 50 degrees a second. It turns out that that's not how quickly it turns, and it caps it at 1, so I believe 1 is a full rotation a second, or something like that. So I couldn't find that until after a couple hours, so a decent amount of the editing this week was done simply to fix that bug. But it needed fixing, so yeah. I'll pull up what I've done now. There isn't quite as much. Let's turn back off the UI because it's in the way. Let's maximize this and set it to go. Okay, these two found each other. Now if you notice, they run towards each other. When they get close, the running animation bugs a little bit. And they will actively block sometimes. When they block, if they're within a certain field of view, the damage gets reduced by half. And then when they stop fighting, they stop running. It sometimes will still trigger the animations a little bit out of place, but I'll be working with that after all of the major things. For now, I just need to make sure that the rest of this works. And those two fought. It seems that the blue characters won again this time. I don't really have anything else to show, sadly. A lot of the time spent this week, as I said, was fixing the turning issue where they would snap towards each other. I didn't actually get to show it, so I'm going to see if I can get one where they sneak up on each other. So after spending a couple minutes attempting to get these to notice each other stealthily, I've just decided that I'm going to disable two of them and then place these two closer to each other. Oops, I tried disabling these two. Turn those off. And then get this one closer to this one. And go from here. How do they not see each other? Oh, so if you notice, now they turn when they block and attack. That's what I've been spending a lot of this week trying to actually add in. It seems it was just an issue that I had to fix. The green one's dead now. I'll be working on more of the advanced tactics within the coming week, like the jump attacks and then various different types of blocks, along with staggering when hit and something like that. Staggering when hit and on hitting a block. But for now, this is really all I have to show. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next week.